Hey folks, Farm Marshall here with a real quick unboxing of a Meyer Lemon Tree that I just recently received from Stark's Brothers Nursery. So, I'm not gonna waste your time. Let's get on to it. I was really excited about getting this because I couldn't find this at my local big box stores. And there's a story behind that. So it came in, nice big size box. I ordered a 4-inch potted plant, and this is how it came. Now, to be honest with you, part of me is really happy that I was able to get it because, like I said, I could not find it at the local big box store initially. This here was selling for about $24.99 or $25.99 with free shipping. I love free stuff. Free shipping helps me a lot. And since I couldn't find it initially at the big box store, I was like, cool. They did have an option of a 1-gallon potted plant, which is about close to $39, $40, somewhere around there. But I really didn't want to spend it, to be honest with you. So I got this guy. And initially I was happy that I found it, but then after going back to the big box store for something else, let me show you what I found. It's in a pot this big. I found that. $25.99 right down the street at my local big box store. Let's compare the sizes. As a side-by-side comparison, this one here versus this one here, which came in this pot. So, I love shopping locally. And like I said, I'm not overly disappointed that I bought this, but I wish I waited a little longer and found this one at let's say the big blue box store. Not the orange guys, the big blue guys. And not Wally World, but the other big blue guys that's kind of like, kind of like the orange guys. Anyway, but the good thing is, it's a healthy plant. I don't know if you can tell, but these guys, well, it seems to be healthy. These guys here seem like fairly new leaves. So the plant looks healthy. I did want 2 Meyer Lemon trees. Eventually, I might give one away to somebody, but we'll have to see. And I'm pretty sure that eventually this one will get this size, probably fairly quickly if I fertilize it properly and plant it properly. I am doing a video on how I potted this one here. I may not do a video on this one because it's going to be the same thing. Anyway, so shop locally if you can. And I have bought other products from Stark's Nurseries. I got what I paid for. I just wish that I had found it locally. Well, anyway, I'll do some further videos on how these plants do. And if you find my videos to be helpful for you, like and subscribe. At the very least, let's get out there and get a little dirty.